Hey guys, it's Cameron with Bandzoogle, and today I'm here to show you our latest theme, Mezzo. Mezzo features a unique vertical layout with a newly redesigned site-wide player and new menu options. Mezzo comes in 4 different variations: neutral, playful, elegant, and somber. The unique layout of Mezzo features a vertical menu with your site's header image layered underneath as the background. The image and menu stay fixed in place as you scroll through the site's content. The menu can also be set to a mobile version on the desktop site. To enable this, you can toggle the Use Mobile Menu on Desktop control here. The new site-wide player sits at the bottom of the menu area and features a redesigned layout made specifically for this theme. And, as with all of our themes, Mezzo is fully responsive, so you can be sure it will look great across all screen sizes and devices. And that's it for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and we hope you're enjoying our new theme, Mezzo.